Everyone, this is Radu from Atlantic DIagnostic Laboratories, and today we're going to go over a quick installation process of AutoClient Standalone Client. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up a new web browser, and in that new web browser you're going to type in adllab.net, which is going to take you to our main website. And from our main website you want to click on Client Login. Once you do that, you're going to notice at the top left-hand side of your screen, there's a button that says click to install AutoClient Standalone Client. When you click on it, there's a download that's going to start at the bottom left-hand side of your screen, which is called AutoClient Install.exe. Once it's finished downloading, if you click on it, it's going to ask you to run the file. Once you hit run, the installation will start. Installation completed successfully if you hit OK. And now if you go to your desktop, you're going to see that AutoClient icon has been placed on your desktop, and if you double click on it, it's going to take you to the screen where you can log in. Thanks for watching this video, and tune in for the next training.